Hey YouTubers, today I have an unboxing video for you, and with a little twist. Let's take a look at it. Well, as you can see here, we have a box from Newegg, and it was shipped via Federal Express, and the box is in pretty good shape. FedEx looks like they did a decent job on shipping. But let's look inside. Well, of course, the standard packing material, but as you can see, the box for the motherboard's in terrible shape. And your guess is right, the motherboard looks the same. We have an I/O port, SATA cable, retaining screw for the M.2 drive, CD with drivers, and of course some instructions here. But as I said, we have a little twist here, or maybe a little bit bent. As you can see, the motherboard is bent, and you can see there's even a chip coming off of it. Yeah, this doesn't look too functional. I was planning on doing a build video for you guys. Looks like that's going to be put on hold. I don't even want to look at this. And yes, it was an open box item from Newegg, but Newegg claims that all open box items are checked for basic functionality. Not too functional, I'd say. Now, for my first open box video, this is a great one, isn't it? Well, that's it. Well, just to give you a heads up, be a little careful when you're buying the open box items. Thanks a lot. You guys take care.